You don't hate your body. You hate how you feel in it. The heaviness, the discomfort, the shame that's been layered on over the years. So you turn that frustration towards your body because it feels easier than facing what you're actually carrying. What you're feeling, it isn't vanity. It's disconnection from your energy, your confidence, and your freedom. And blaming your body, it feels easier than facing the real pain, that you stopped trusting it, stopped listening to it, stopped believing it was even yours to care for. Your body isn't the enemy. It's the place where your pain is lived, but it's also the place where your healing will happen. You don't have to love how it looks right now, but you can still treat it with care. Because the version of you that you're becoming, that person doesn't wait to feel perfect before choosing alignment. There was a time where I felt like my body betrayed me. I didn't like what I saw when I looked in the mirror. I felt uncomfortable in my clothes, disconnected in my skin, and ashamed of how far I'd let things go. But the more I punished my body, the worse it got. The turning point for me was when I stopped trying to fix it and I started trying to listen to it. Zepbound helped calm the noise, but the healing came from how I chose to treat myself. Not perfectly, but with compassion. And that's what changed the relationship. If you've been stuck in body shame, this is your reminder. You don't have to love your body to start caring for it. I want you to drop a comment. What's one way you're choosing to respect your body today? And I want you to remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.